Hello, my friends. Today, I want to tell you something very important about English. Many people believe English is hard. Many people feel afraid when they try to speak. But the truth is, English is not difficult. The way we learn English makes it difficult. Let me start with a fact. The English language has more than 170,000 words. That sounds scary, right? But be honest with yourself. Do you really need all those words? The answer is no. Even native English speakers do not use all those words. In daily life, most people use only a small number of words again and again. The good news is this. You can speak clear, confident, daily English with just 500 simple words. Yes, only 500. No difficult grammar, no big words, no pressure. Just simple thinking and smart practice. Many learners think their problem is vocabulary. They say, I don't know enough words. But this is not the real problem. The real problem is the learning method. People try to collect words like they collect books, but they never use them. English is not learned by memorizing. English is learned by using. Think about a child. A child does not learn English from a dictionary. A child hears the same simple words every day. The child repeats the same sentence patterns again and again. That is how language enters the brain. The 500 words are high-frequency words. These are words used most of the time. Pronouns like I, you, we, they, verbs like go, come, eat, drink, work, adjectives like good, bad, big, small, nouns like time, food, home, money. With these words, you can build thousands of sentences. Fluency does not mean using big words. Fluency means speaking without stopping. It means your mouth moves easily. This happens when your brain feels safe. Simple words feel safe. Big words create fear. That is why limiting your words actually helps you speak more. Remember this, English is a tool, not an exam. You are not speaking to impress people. You are speaking to express yourself. Now, let us talk about the secret of English speaking, sentence patterns. Words are not enough. Patterns are the real power. Sentence patterns are like roads. If the road is clear, your words move easily. Here are some powerful patterns. I want to, I need to, I am going to, I like to, I have to. With these patterns, you can speak about wants, needs, future, feelings, and responsibility. The brain loves patterns. When you repeat the same structure, speaking becomes automatic. This is fluency. Grammar rules stay in books. Sentence patterns go to your mouth. That is why native speakers do not think about grammar when they speak. Now let us use English in real life. English is not for books. English is for morning, work, home, people, and feelings. Talk about what you already live. In the morning, say simple lines. At work, say what you feel. When talking to people, ask for help. Express emotions with simple words. Do not fear mistakes. Mistakes mean you are trying. People do not judge your grammar. They notice your confidence. Clear English is better than perfect English. Practice is the key. Watching videos is easy. Speaking is hard, but speaking changes everything. You do not need hours. You need 10-15 minutes every day. Speak out loud. Repeat the same sentences. Repetition builds confidence. Create a simple routine. Morning, speak for 5 minutes. Daytime, listen to slow English. Night, speak again for 5 minutes. Use the same words every day. Do not change methods again and again. Slow progress done daily always wins. English is not talent. English is a skill. Skills grow with daily use. Stop waiting for perfect English. Start with simple English. Speak slowly, speak calmly, speak every day. Your goal is not to impress. Your goal is to express. And you can do that with 500 words.